Hey guys, I hope everyone had a good day. So yeah, I'm back in Vancouver. Doing a quick recap. It was a decent day. I mean, we had a decent watch list, but not a lot of amazing movers. The best movers that we had was ROKU for a short side, which sold off all the way up to 141. The trade that I took it on that, I took it twice to the long, and I got stopped out both of them. So let's go to the so it was gapping up about 7% in that time when we were trading 8.5%. So I was really long biased on that. It was below the VWAP, that's why I didn't take it to the short side at the open. It came back up, it squeezed up. I tried to take opening range breakup on that, so I went long here at 150. It went up to 151. I didn't get out. This 200 moving average on 1 minute chart really hold as a resistance, and drop I got out with a small loss. It came down, came back up. I tried to again take it another long side, but I just didn't have really to juice to go back up, and it was below the VWAP, and I got stopped out again twice on that. And not a big loss on this, but again, just this one was very disappointing. If it was breaking this 1 minute moving average, 200 moving average on 1 minute chart, it would have been really nice. So that was the trade that didn't work for me. CGC and Pines, both of them, I made money on that. So CGC, again, CGC, if you look at our gappers scanner, so it was up 25%. So I was really long biased on that. It sold off in the pre-market. So opened really weak, but it bounced back from this 2286 level. It came back up. I went long. I kind of chased it, but it came above the VWAP. It did drop, but I didn't get stopped out because I really saw this. So again, for 3 minutes there was no volume. When the volume came in, I wasn't still long bias on that. In this drop, I added more at 2350 and 2325. So average was about 2388, and then it popped up all the way up to 2388, which was I scaled out, and the last piece I got out here. For a decent profit. So that was my trade. I was again this 200 moving average on 1 minute chart, same as ROKU. It really acted as a resistance and never really broke on that. After that, I got out and I never really touched it anymore. So it just bounced back a couple of times from this 2286 level that we had. You see, these levels are magic. I'm telling everyone these levels are really magic. So I just bounced back a couple of times, and after that, eventually really broke that level and it went all the way down. So yeah, so see, it hold about 45 minutes this level. What is this level, by the way? Yeah, it's really nice. And eventually sold off, and it's just going down. Market is also weak. SPY is also kind of weak, so that's why I really didn't do anything. And Pines was also a trade that I think again, we didn't get a big follow through on that. So a 1 minute opening range break up, popped up, pulled back. As soon as it came back up at 2340 all the way up to 2360. So for red to green, so red to green, but it just didn't hold through that. After that, I got out completely, and then just didn't do really anything. So what is it now? Yeah, I came back up really and bounced back to this level. So these levels are really magic. 2370, just bounced back from that. So that was the one opening range break up here, and that was the only thing. GNPX was also moving, and I took a trade on GNPX, but these low float stocks are really nothing that you want to mess around with them. So yeah, it was just a breakout trade at around 462 all the way up to about 5. So overall was a good day, but again, this is not something that we want to trade all the time. So these are really garbage stocks. So now so there are a couple of announcements that I want to have. The New York City meetup, guys. New York City meetup is next week, Friday. So almost a lot of us would be there. Peter, Brian, Carlos, Norm, Ryan, and Mike, the new addition to our team member, he's coming. So we're gonna see that. And yeah, so that's it's gonna be fantastic. So it's a private. We got a private bar, drinks on us. Come and enjoy, have a good time with us. And yeah, I know we have a lot of traders in New York City, so it's in Midtown. I'm going to off-topic chat. I want to get a couple of trades. Anyone wants to share any of these trades with us? So I'm wondering if anyone is interested to share any of the trades. I'd like to see on the off-topic chat if anyone wants to upload anything. Yeah, so if you want to sign up, just one thing. If you want to come, please go to our forum, and you can sign up. Even if you're not a member, you can sign up to our forum. The link is in our website. But just do the RSVP, because really we really need to actually have the place reserved. So we need to have there how many people are coming. So thanks for people who are really RSVP. So it's really nice if you guys can do that. So I'm going to the off-topic chat and see if a bunch of trades that we can actually share. Always don't screw. No, always don't screw that. This one. Yeah. So Ramlal is the new trader. Yeah, you took short AMD, nice Ramlal, right now. So it just bounced back, short trade and cover here. Very beautiful trade. This is a demo trade. So we would like to have the real trades. If anyone has a real trade to share, that would be nice. QLD. What you do? So Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia. Peter is trading Nvidia. So you went long, you got stopped out, but you did what? Yeah, I'm not sure exactly. It doesn't. Yeah, you went long, stopped out, and you went back long and stopped out. So the only comment that I can give to you here is you have to give it some room. Stock is $288. You can't give it 5 cents. You know, you gotta give it a little bit of room. In this case, you got lucky, but in this case, you just gotta stop that way too early. So you have to give these higher price stocks a little bit of room, because otherwise you really don't get anything out of it. So STC was a trade that everyone was trading it this morning. Yeah, it was an amazing 5-minute opening range breakdown. So see, this is an amazing 5-minute opening range breakup. The stock was already gapping down 12%. This is a really nice trade. I love that. So this is a really nice opening range breakdown. I should have traded that. Unfortunately, I didn't. So that's Taras, Ramlal, QLD. Yeah, so let's see, Taras, you have another one. No, that's the same thing. Let's see what Ryan PDT. He's in Vancouver. I bumped into Ryan one time. So Ryan, you went short below the VWAP, popped up, but you didn't get stopped out, but you actually added into that, and then really beautiful, nice drop. So again, so ROKU, so it could go other way. I mean, you wanted to get a stopped out, but you added, and then eventually turned out to be all out for you. It's tough. I don't know. I mean, it's tough. A lot of traders trade like that. In these panic pops, they go short. But again, I would never really do that. Usually, it's really tough trading it. But that's congratulations for you, Ryan PDT. Stock operator GNPX. That's exactly the same trade that I took. It's exactly the same trade that I took. I went long here, and it just popped higher. Exactly the same. Took all out here. It was ready. If it was moving a little bit higher, it would have get sorry, my printer started just printing. I swear there is a ghost in my room. Anyways, yeah, so that's it, guys. Let me see what else do we have. Pekka, one of our traders, long time with us. What you do? Oh, Nvidia is squeezed up. Yeah, Nvidia, really nice trading. So 1 minute opening range break up. You went long at 289, all the way up to 292. Really nice, very beautiful trading. High voltage Jed 1, yeah, that's also very beautiful short 5 minute. Yeah, that's opening range breakdown, breaking off this level. Beautiful trade, and it's just keep going down even. Yeah, very beautiful trading, very nice. STC was really nice. Naveen, what did you do? Very nice, very nice. Oh, you can also saw the level 2 as well. So the huge beat here, STC. So you went short. What did you do? Yeah, you went short, covered, and then you went short again. Yeah, as soon as you saw it. So this is really nice. This is really nice. So he saw this 1350 beat. So it's a bearish sign. You went back short here, and then you're making money here. Very beautiful. And added more based on the level 2. Very beautiful. This is actually a very nice, very nice screenshot. I actually very enjoyed that. Let's see what Kenneth has done. That. Kenneth on Lyft. Lyft actually moved a lot today. It sold off really bad. Kenneth, yeah, Kenneth is, so you went long, you got to stop that. You went long. Kenneth is doing a counter trade reversal. So you're again, this drop, you know, you went long, you got to stop that, but you went long again, sold more, and again, long. I don't exactly know what you do, but Kenneth is a really good trader. I really didn't understand what you did here. But anyways, thank you so much, guys, and happy Valentine's Day. So honestly, trading and money and stuff is a little bit overrated. Just say love to whoever you love, whoever is supporting you in the bad days, whoever you are having a frustrating time, you go and, you know, just hug. That's the person that you should really say love today, and to make sure them to make them feel special. I mean, really, especially your women doesn't have to wait for one day a year to give them a special feeling. They have to be every day feeling that special. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you all. Monday is a holiday for international traders, guys. Monday is a President Day in US, so the market is closed. So enjoy the extra long week, extra day. So enjoy extra sleep. I would definitely enjoy extra sleep on Monday. So I'll see you on Tuesday morning in the chat. I'll be trading next week, and I'll see you in New York City next weekend for a big, really nice meetup, because there's a lot of team members are coming. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.